gorgeous. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, nice to meet you. In this video, I'm gonna be creating a super easy, kind of bright summery makeup look because why not? First things first, as you see, I'm not wearing any makeup except my brows and a lippy because I always start from my eyes. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, it's just me. I'm gonna quickly prep my eyes. So I'm using the concealer for that. Just blend it. Next thing I'm taking the Conceal and Fix Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Just gonna set this quickly, just a tiny bit, so the concealer doesn't move around. So I think for today's look, that's the brightest eyeshadow palette I have is the NYX Ultima's Bright palette. So this is a palette I'm gonna use, but basically any eyeshadow palette that has bright colors, pick one, go with flow. So I think for my today's look, kind of wanna go for this lilac color, because, you know, why not? So I'm gonna go with that. And I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and go with that all over my mobile lid. Kind of like this monochrome eyeshadow looks at the moment, plus it's just so easy to do. So, you know, why not, right? Okay, so the eyeshadow is done. Next week, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of the eyeliner, but not as the actual eyeliner, but just on the top. We're gonna add some flowers because, I mean, it's a flower season, right? So I'm gonna use the Mina color eyeliners. I did a separate video about it. What I like about this eyeliner is that it's a pen liner, so it's extremely easy to use. And I take the Mina pen eyeliners in white and yellow. So I'm starting with a white color. So I'm gonna draw like a little flowers, but to draw that, so I'm resting my hand on the cheek, so there's no floating around. I'm just gonna draw lines, like crisscross times. That makes sense. See? Just like that. I'm going higher than my crease is, so my eyes doesn't look as hooded. The last flower you could do lower, so it's a full circle, or you could do it slightly bit higher, so therefore it would lift your eye up, like, you know, lift your eye up. So this is what I'm gonna go for. Next part is pretty easy. I'm taking the yellow pen liner. This one is 137. And what I'm doing with that, I'm just placing a dot in the middle of this little flower. Just gonna quickly apply some mascara. Okay, so the eyes are nearly done. Let's do the face and we're gonna complete this super easy look. So we're gonna start with priming my face. So I'm gonna use Conceal and Fix Mattifying Primer by Revolution. I absolutely love this primer. I'm on my third bottle, I think, or something. I just go like a face cream kind of. Full on. I did a full-on review of this, and then I got comments under saying it feels so greasy on. It actually feels a bit greasy when applying it, but once the foundation is on and so on, it doesn't feel greasy at all. Like, I have super oily skin, so trust me on this one. I wouldn't recommend you think that is not oily skin friendly. Okay, foundation. I'm gonna go with my current favorite, NYX Skin Stop on Stop in Natural. I'm gonna do a little bit of a contour. I'm gonna use this same Conceal and Define Concealer in C1 and then Conceal and Define Concealer Infinite in C12. Face is nearly done. Let's set this up and we can do some powder contours. So I'll use the same setting powder as I use for prepping my eyelids. So for the contour, I'm gonna use the Revolution Pro Sculpted Bronzer in Cacao, my favorite one. For the blush, I'm gonna go with Tarte's Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Brush Ornate. And for the glow, I'm gonna go with Revolution Pro Luster Highlighter in White Rose. Tiny dot on the inner eye corner and brow arch. For the lower lash line, I don't really want to add more eyeshadow or anything like that. I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara and then some nude lippy because we already have color on the eyes, and I want the look to be concentrated more on the eyes than the lips. For the lipstick, I decided to go with Revolution Pro Rockstar Hydrating Lipstick in Velvet. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? Yeah guys, so what do you think of this makeup look? Leave a comment down below, let me know. Tag me in your pictures if you're gonna be recreating this makeup look. Honestly, you guys, you make my day every time you tag me in your pictures when you recreate the makeup looks that I do. Love to see that. And I'm sure you're gonna nail it because it's super easy makeup look as you've seen. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to press the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more super important part. I'm mentioning this every time because it's so super important. It doesn't cost you a penny, but you're gonna majorly support my channel if you're just gonna hit that button to subscribe. Let me know actually guys, do you prefer to watch more of the makeup tutorials or makeup tips and tricks? I have a few ideas for a few videos in my head. I mentioned in my previous video maybe I should do tips and tricks for hooded eyes for the eyeliner application, like different eyeliner types, how to lift your eye. So I think I'm gonna do this video because you guys been requesting for that. Maybe makeup do's and don'ts for round face and for hooded eyes. Would that be interesting? Or for like different face shapes? Yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you prefer to watch more: makeup tips, tricks, makeup tutorials, or makeup reviews. And I shall see you very soon. So thanks so much for watching and bye! Have a superb day. Ciao for now guys.